What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life reminder in your 2018 to 2023 Jeep Wrangler. There are actually two ways of doing this. I'm going to show you how to do it with the cluster and the button right here on your steering wheel. What we're going to do is want to put the car in accessory mode and hit the button again to run mode, but we don't want our foot on the brake. We don't want the engine running, okay? That's the trick to the whole thing. Powered up, engine not running. Now what we're going to do is scroll over to the right and see how it says 1 speedometer. We're gonna go down where it says vehicle information, scroll over until you get to oil life right here. Okay, now it says 67%. Hold OK to reset. We're just gonna hold OK and it'll reset to 100%, and that's how you reset the oil life reminder. Now the other way of doing it is, since we have it in this mode, all you need to do now, if you want to do it this other way, is press down the gas pedal 5 times, and it would also reset the oil life. Okay, there's 2 ways of doing it. Well, if the video was helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you liked and subscribed. You guys take care, be safe, have a great weekend.